Top producers realize that the right systems are the key to quoting more efficiently and making more sales. There are a couple of systems we want to discuss today. The first is a comparative rater for the agent's personal lines that they represent, and the second, an agency management system. The first system I want to discuss is a personal lines comparative rating system that allows single data entry for multiple carrier submission with quote results displayed for easy comparison. Top producers take the time to set up default coverage templates and preset answers to underwriting questions to shorten the time it takes to prepare multiple coverage scenarios and increase quote efficiencies. Average producers don't take the time to properly set up and utilize their comparative rating system and often give up on it in frustration, only to end up having to go to each carrier's website and enter the same data over and over again, spending hours instead of minutes preparing a quote. Top producers realize significant savings by getting their comparative rater from a network like IPA at a discounted price. They know they will get a multi-user system for less than the retail price of a single-user system, and they don't need to sign a contract obligating them to long-term usage. Once again, leveraging one of the benefits of being in business for themselves, but not by themselves. When an average producer purchases a comparative rater, they typically purchase directly from the vendor at full retail pricing, which includes a setup fee and a monthly fee that is determined by how many users they need, and they are required to sign a contract for a term no less than 1 year. Top producers take advantage of the many features available in the rating system, like running reports that tell them how many quotes they're doing and how many resulted in a sale. Other reports that top producers use include how many sales are packaged with another line of insurance and what limits of coverage are being quoted. Top producers also select to use an optional feature that pre-fills the driver's license numbers, birth dates, social security numbers, and the vehicle identification number, saving the time and money. Average producers do all of this manually to help keep their monthly payment as low as possible. Top producers quickly deliver all premium and coverage options from within their rating system. Their clients don't have to wait when they're away from the office because the system is accessible from mobile devices and tablets. They use compatible lead-generating vendors that interface with their system and make prospecting and generating quotes seamless. Comparative raters for commercial lines have not taken off in the marketplace yet. Be prepared to quote each commercial risk separately. Networks like IPA often have systems in place to help simplify the commercial quoting process. The next system top producers utilize is an agency management system. These systems are designed to keep your clients' policies and other important information organized and at your fingertips. These systems can automate follow-ups, renewals, policy reviews, automate marketing, produce reports, and run many aspects of the agency's daily operations. It can document and timestamp every entry and phone call. It can drip email, schedule appointments, send out reminders, monitor your staff, pre-fill applications, and provide a robust accounting system. Top producers often purchase agency management systems that interface with their rating system. This saves a lot of duplicate entry and can make requoting as simple as allowing the data to flow between systems. Agents who join the IPA network receive a substantial discount off both the setup and monthly fees associated with their comparative rater and agency management system. Top producers have learned to use the most integrated technology and to save money in the process. Average producers don't often have agency management systems that interface with their comparative rater, and they spend hours re-entering information from one system into the other. Top producers utilize systems that offer ease of use and are intuitive, so they and their staff don't get bogged down trying to figure out how to use them. Top producers will start off with a basic platform that allows additional features to be added on as they grow their business and as their needs change. Be careful not to allow yourself to be too impressed by the demonstrator's ability to make the system look easy to use. They all make them look easy to use, but once the system's in your hands, it can suddenly become very complicated. Take your time with this decision and talk to other agents. Find out ahead of time what the procedure and cost is to move your data to another system if you decide to switch. Networks like IPA have already done the research and have years of experience so that they only offer the best systems to their agency members. Thank you for being on this video today. In tomorrow's video, we'll discuss an effective alternative top producers use to hiring CSRs.